Most people think money looks obvious. A huge salary, a nice car, a beautiful house, a life that looks expensive from the outside. But real money usually looks much quieter than that. It looks like calm. It looks like options. It looks like someone who doesn't panic every time life gets expensive. Because a big salary can disappear fast, but real money leaves behind proof. So in this video, let's talk about 10 signs someone has real money, not just a paycheck that looks impressive. A lot of people confuse income with wealth. They see someone making good money and assume that person is doing well. And sometimes they are, but sometimes they're not. Sometimes that successful person is one emergency away from stress, one missed check away from panic, one layoff away from debt, one lifestyle upgrade away from feeling trapped. That's why a big salary and real money are not the same thing. A big salary means money comes in. Real money means money stays, money works, and money protects. And once you understand that, you start noticing the signs differently. 1. They don't feel the need to prove they have money. This is one of the first signs. People with real money usually don't spend all day trying to convince you they have it. They don't need every outfit to scream success. They don't need every purchase to be seen. They don't need validation every time they spend. That doesn't mean they never buy nice things. It means they're not using money to perform. That's a huge difference. A lot of people with big salaries spend like they're auditioning for respect. People with real money usually move a little quieter than that. They understand something many people learn late. Looking rich and being secure are not the same lifestyle. Number 2, bad news does not destroy their whole month. Now this one matters. Real money shows up in how someone handles inconvenience. A car problem, a medical bill, a home repair, a slow month, a surprise expense. When somebody has real money, those things may still be annoying, but they are not automatically devastating. That's powerful. Because for a lot of everyday people, money stress is not really about luxury. It's about fragility. It's about feeling like one unexpected thing can ruin the whole plan. So when someone can absorb life without instantly reaching for a credit card, begging for time, or falling apart emotionally, that tells you something. It says this person has built more than income. They've built cushion. Number 3, their life is organized around systems, not stress. This one is underrated. People with real money usually don't rely only on willpower. They use systems. Bills are organized. Savings happen on purpose. Retirement contributions happen automatically. Money has categories. Important documents are not lost in some drawer under old coupons and random papers. That may sound boring. Good. Real money is often boring in the best way, because chaos is expensive. Late fees are expensive. Forgotten bills are expensive. Overdrafts are expensive. Disorganization is expensive. A lot of people think wealth is all about earning more, but a lot of financial strength comes from simply running your life in a way that wastes less.
4. They save before they spend. A person with real money usually does not treat saving like an accident. They don't just hope something is left over at the end of the month. They already know how that usually goes. Nothing is left. So they move money first, not because they're scared, because they're smart. They understand that if savings only gets what remains, savings usually gets ignored. That's why real money often shows up in a simple habit. They pay themselves first. Not always with huge amounts, not always dramatically, but consistently. And consistency is one of the clearest signs that somebody's financial life is becoming real. 5. They are not getting eaten alive by high-interest debt. Now let's talk about one of the biggest differences between a big salary and actual money: debt pressure. A person can earn a lot and still be financially trapped if high-interest debt keeps chewing through everything they make. That's the part many people don't see. Nice income, nice clothes, nice apartment, nice car. But underneath all of it, Credit card balances, monthly pressure, interest, stress, payments in every direction. Real money looks different. It does not mean a person has zero debt in every case, but it usually means the debt is not in charge. They are not spending years just feeding financial fires they started in emotional moments. That alone is a huge sign of real progress. 6. They buy freedom, not just things. This is one of my favorite signs. People with real money often use money to create space. They buy time. They reduce pressure. They avoid unnecessary traps. They create options. Maybe they choose the tar that gives them room to save. Maybe they live below what they could technically afford. Maybe they keep cash reserves. Maybe they invest in something that will help future them breathe easier. That's what real money does. It buys flexibility. A lot of people with big salaries buy things that make them look successful. People with real money often buy decisions that make them less cornered. That's a different level of thinking. 7. They know their numbers. Now this one sounds simple, but it tells you a lot. People with real money usually know what's going on. They know roughly what comes in. They know what goes out. They know where the leaks are. They know what debt costs them. They know what they're saving. They know what they're building. They may not be perfect. They may not be obsessed, but they are not financially asleep. And that matters. Because a lot of people don't have money problems only because they earn too little. They also have money problems because they are disconnected from reality. They avoid the numbers because the numbers make them uncomfortable. But real money grows around awareness. You can't improve what you refuse to look at. 8. Their future is already getting funded. This is a big sign. Someone has real money when their paycheck is not only feeding today, it's also feeding tomorrow. Retirement, investments, emergency savings, insurance, home maintenance, future goals, long-term protection. That's when you know someone is thinking bigger than just surviving. Because a big salary can still be completely consumed by the present. Real money leaves something behind for later, and that matters more than people realize. A lot of financial pain comes from always living in reaction mode, always fixing now, always catching up, always postponing future problems until they become current pain. People with real money usually understand that protecting the future is part of today's job.
9. They can say no without feeling guilty. This is deeper than it sounds. Real money often comes with boundaries. The ability to say, "Not right now. That's not in my budget. I'm not financing that image. I can help, but not in a way that hurts me. I don't need to upgrade yet." That is power. Because a lot of people stay broke trying to be emotionally available with their wallet 24 hours a day. They spend out of guilt, out of pressure, out of comparison, out of family expectations, out of fear of looking small. People with real money usually learn how to protect what they build, not because they're selfish, because they understand that a person with no boundaries will never keep much. 10. They feel calmer than they look. This may be the biggest sign of all. Real money often shows up as emotional steadiness. Not perfection, not arrogance, not pretending life never gets hard, just steadiness. A person with real money often carries less desperation. They are not as frantic, not as reactive, not as easily shaken by every small financial wave. Why? Because money has stopped being only survival. It has started becoming support. And when that shift happens, you can feel it. Sometimes real money is not obvious in what someone wears. Sometimes it's obvious in how quietly they move through problems. That calm is expensive to build, and that's why it means something.